Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to see you all here today. If you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you won't miss out on our weekly quick and easy recipes. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Today, we're diving into a classic treat that's perfect for any occasion, peanut brittle. It's crunchy, sweet, and oh so satisfying. Plus, it's super simple to make, so let's get right into it. For this recipe, you'll need just a few ingredients. Grab yourself 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of light corn syrup, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You'll also want to have 1 cup of raw peanuts on hand, and don't forget about the butter. 2 tablespoons will do. Lastly, we'll need a teaspoon of vanilla seal extract and half a teaspoon of baking soda to give it that perfect texture. Now, the first step is to combine the sugar, corn syrup, and salt in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir it gently until the sugar dissolves and the mixture starts to bubble. Once that happens, add in those peanuts and keep stirring. You'll want to cook it until it turns a beautiful golden color, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. Burnt sugar is not the flavor we're going for. When it's ready, remove it from the heat and stir in the butter, vanilla, and baking soda. Pour it out onto a greased baking sheet and let it cool. Once it's set, break it into pieces and enjoy. And that's it. A delicious homemade peanut brittle that's sure to impress. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy cooking!